I'm going to talk about for today's patient real quick. He came from New Jersey, 50 years old. He had pretty advanced hair loss, node type 6. We had a very large area to cover, but luckily we had a great donor area. The donor capacity was perfect. Every individual hair was thick enough, the density was good enough, and the surface area was pretty large. So we knew that we are going to extract plus 5,000 graft, but even 5,000 graft may not be enough to cover everywhere with a perfect density. We knew that. So we agreed on relatively higher hairline. I mean, 50 years old, he was perfectly okay with the relatively higher hairline, mature looking higher hairline. And we extracted 6,150 graft. That number was great. We were able to cover everywhere with perfect density. The team reached that kind of high numbers. The quality of the team matters so much. So thank you very much, ladies. I really appreciate it. And patient will be in 6 months.